We're going to have a little lesson in running a 320 excavator today. Right now I'm peeling up blacktop. Take a walk over to the machine here. Open her up. Let's climb inside. Right here we have the left-hand joystick, which controls the stick and the swing. The right-hand joystick, which controls the bucket and the boom. From the seat, we can see our travel pedals. Right travel pedal forward, right travel pedal rear, left travel forward, left travel rear. You can use them with either your feet or your hands. This pedal controls both at the same time for traveling longer distances. Here we have our throttle and key with the safety lever back. I can start the machine. We wait for it to come up on the screen that the oil is okay. And it is. Start the machine. Let it idle for a second. And then we can throttle up. Okay. That's the automatic throttle. It shuts down to conserve fuel. If the machine idles still, no controls are touched for a period of 3 seconds, the throttle automatically idles down. Okay, I'm going to set the camera up for digging. Give me a second.